Welcome to another beautiful day and a new video. So today we're going to be talking about writing. You guys have really talked about this writing a lot. Today I want you guys to know that if you want to know how to write, it is very simple when you already know how to read. Yes, for you to write, you have to first of all get familiar with words. In as much as you are able to read, like when you keep reading, you keep seeing a word consistently with time, you're going to find out that that particular word spelling actually stored in your head. That's the first thing, the first step to you actually writing, okay? If you're not able to read, if you're not able to pronounce words, then it's going to be difficult for you to actually write, okay? So you first of all master how to read before you can actually write. That's first step. Okay, I have literally focused more on words pronunciation, like spelling words, sounds combination and the likes of them, just for us to first of all get familiar with sounds. When you are familiar with sounds, that is when you will be able to write, because the organization of sounds, that is the put together of sound, is actually what gives us words. Okay, I made mention of the fact that we have 26 letters in the English language. They are being recited as the alphabets of English language, the A to Z. Now when you combine A plus B plus whatever, it's going to give you a particular sound or a particular word. As you know, we have two letters, we have 3-letter words, meaningful words, yeah, but we have been doing the combination of everything. Like when you add a particular letter and a particular letter, it gives you a particular sound. Okay, so when you know sounds, you'll be able to write. When you know sounds, you'll be able to pronounce words. So knowing sounds is the basic. Okay, if you're able to read ba, be, bi, bo, bu, for instance, you say ba. If you write out ba, you can say, okay, I want to write banana. You start with, this is ba, ba, b, a, and you want to write na, you write na, and you pronounce it bana. You now say bana. For you to have banana, you now say banana. So you can see that it has double na. You now add another na, okay, and you just got the spelling right. This is banana, put together banana. That is how it actually works. So before you can write, we first of all master pronunciation of words, and before you can be able to pronounce words right, you have to first of all master combination and pronunciation of sound. That is when sounds are combined, you should be able to pronounce it. Okay, remember, the put together of sound is what actually makes up a word. If I want to use this, for instance, I can remove this n and just have ba. If I add a, this is ba, this is ma. If I put this together, I'm going to have ba ma, ba ma, ba ma. Okay, you see how it works. So if you're able to combine sounds, like when you see a sound that is combined and you are able to pronounce them, whether they appear in 2s, in 3s, in 4s, or in 5, you are able to pronounce the sounds. Trust me, that is how you're going to be able to pronounce words. That is why I focused more on sounds, like giving you sounds. I give you the ending part of a word, I give you the beginning part of a word, and most times the beginning part can fall in the middle, the ending part can equally fall in the middle, but in most cases we have certain sounds that actually begin a word and the ones that actually ends a word. For instance, Sean is usually found at the end of a word. Okay, it is only in rare cases that you find them beginning a word. I don't know if there is any word that actually starts with Sean though, but you can actually find them maybe in the middle of a word, but not completely Sean. You can actually find ton, the T-O-N, or the son, S-O-N, in the middle of a word, but not the Sean, that is the T-I-N-O, or the S-I-N-O. So today I would like us to actually write and read at the same time. We're going to be constructing words, that is, we're going to combine sounds and produce a word, and alongside we're going to be constructing a sentence. So are you ready? Let's get started. So I'm going to wipe off this right away. So the very first sentence you're going to be writing out is this: I am a girl. I am a girl. Okay, so how do you write this? You first of all start I. What is I? You put the letter I right here. Am. How do you spell am? M, and a. That am. That is m, a and m. The a and the me. Am. You write am. I am a. This is letter A. Now g, ge, ge, Get, you write R, then girl, you write L. Okay, so put together we have I am a girl. I am a girl. With this, we just write out a complete meaningful sentence. Okay, the next one. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, le. This is not re. This is le. Now we want to add t to make it let. Okay, now me. That is me. Me. Let me. Go. You see, we have let me go. Let me go. Just put together a sentence. Another one, we are here. We are here. So you start with we. This is me, we. If you're just joining me, try checking out our 26 letter recitation, the different way that letters of English language are being pronounced. So let's move on. We are here. So we, W, we. W-E, we have we. This is we. We are here. We are here. So with what I am doing here, you can actually see that it's all about sounds. If you're able to know the sounds right, you are able to pronounce words, you will definitely be able to write if only you will practice. Yes. Now, one of the common challenges that a lot of us have when it comes to writing is the fact that we often tend to miss words, like we omit words or we use the wrong letter. For instance, you want to spell fort. We have fort like this. And we equally have fort like this. Now, these two are actually not the same because they don't mean the same thing. This is pronounced as fort, whereas this is pronounced as fault. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Now, if you want to pronounce fort, this is fort for you. If you have to write, this is what the sound fort. Now, if you have to write and you pronounce fort, you will find out that this is what you actually going to write. But if you are someone who always engage yourself in reading, then you found out that this is what you're going to see as fort. And this fort and this fort and this fort totally has different meaning. Okay, they are what we call homophonic words. That is words that sounds alike, but their spellings and meanings are actually different. So let's move on. I have the next one. Come with me. Come with me. Now this is ko. Remember, some letters can be silent in the word come. Now, if you are to write this, assuming you are not familiar with this word, you actually going to omit this E. That is why it is very important. If you must know how to read and write, you have to practice reading. You have to read frequently. You have to read as much as you can. Okay, so this is the right spelling for come. Okay, come, we. This is we. Remember, we. Now, with. We. Okay, this is W. We. Now, if it is you writing this with you pronouncing it with you just write W-I-T. Okay, that is English for you. You have to master the art of reading. When you are reading, master the way those words are actually written. Okay, because sometimes a particular letter can be silent in the word, just like right here, this H is actually silent. Okay, so we have come with, we, me. So you should know that me. This is me, M-E, me. Okay, so right here we have come with me. Okay, I have a farm. I have a farm. Now I, remember, I is just on its own like I have here. I, okay, I just write down I, then ha, this is ha, v. So v, e, we have I have. I have a. Now fa. This is 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 farm. Okay, I have a farm. I have a farm. Now, if you are not actually familiar with reading, you can actually write this as farm. Okay, with pronunciation, this is farm, but meaningful English word is farm. This can be farm, family. If you listen carefully, this sounds longer than this because this stops here and this is just here for the fa. This is fa, farm, not farm. Farm. Okay, so we have I have a farm. Okay, let's see another one. I live here. I live here. Okay, so remember, I stand on its own. I not live. Have live. I live here. We are here. I live here. Okay, this is R. So I live here. Okay, let's read it together. We have I am a girl. Let me go. We are here. Come with me. I have a farm. I live here. You can see we actually constructed a sentence and actually you did a writing right here. Okay, so that is what writing is actually about. Now let's try words. For instance, I want to write product. This is p, ro. That is ro. This is pro. So product. That is product. Okay, so we equally can say, let's try promote. This is sound. Pro. Mo. This is mo. T. We have promote. Remember, some letters can be silent when you are writing. Some letters can be silent in a word. Like we have here, if I ask you to write now, you can actually write mote, M-O-T without the E. But if you're familiar with words, like you engage more in reading, you're going to know that promote actually have E at the end. So we have promote. Okay, for instance, again, we can decide to write P-R-O, max. So max. This is max. Are you getting it? So I have P-R-O being pro. Together we are able to produce product, promote, promax. You can see, so this is how writing works. You have to spell it out, you have to pronounce it. If you are familiar with sounds, if you master the pronunciation of sound combination, once you pronounce that particular sound, you write it down. So if you look at this, if you have been following me, I have touched this. This is duct, okay? This is pro. put together, if you add pro and duct together, we're going to have product. Okay, so this is what it is for today's video. This is an introduction to writing, and I would really love you guys, if you're having challenge with writing, to try out these things I'm going to be telling you right now. Number one, practice writing. That is, pronounce a sound and write it down. That is practicing writing. Pronounce a sound. If you pronounce pro, write it down. If you pronounce pre, write it down. If you pronounce mate, write it down. Just keep pronouncing and writing it down. Anything you pronounce, write it down. Now know which normally starts a word. That is, which sound normally starts a word in most cases. You can actually find starting a word more often. Those ones that we have, like this pro starts a word more often. It doesn't mean you can't see them at the middle of a word, but in most cases they begin a word. So when you practice the beginning part, try the ending part. Once you pronounce it, write it down. What I mean is this: if you pronounce late, you just write late. Okay, if you pronounce four, you just write four. Not the 4 in number, I mean four. Okay, you can decide to pronounce maybe mate. This is late. This is mate. I have taught a lot of this. If you are just joining me, check out our videos. So try this. Write sounds that you produce with your mouth. Once you pronounce a sound, write it down. Then when you are done, find out those ones that are ending part and those that are beginning part. Then try forming words with them. Do it writing. That is, write them down. Don't just pronounce it. Try writing it down. You can actually check out our pronunciation videos and work alongside with them. Anyone you are able to pronounce, try writing it down. When you know the beginning part, the ending part, then try forming words with them. Okay, that is what we're going to be doing this period, your assignment for this period. And that being said, this is where I'm going to be calling it short for today's video. I believe you actually gained 1 or 2 from today's class. Don't forget to keep staying safe. See you in our next video, and bye for now.